Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? Today is 21st April 2021. This is your English language session. Previous week we start unit 15 what time it is. This is a continuation of the same topic. Today we learn when. When we use when. When we want to ask question we use when. Then when does he get up? Okay. The, here with when we use does or somewhere we use do. Okay. Does we use for singular one and do we use for plural one. Okay. For plural we use do. For singular we use does. When does he get up? See, he is singular, so we use does. He gets up at 7 o'clock. When does he eat breakfast? He eats breakfast at 7:30. See time? Previously we learned about o'clock, half past and quarter past. When does he leaves his house? He leaves his house at 8 o'clock. When does he reach his office? He reaches his office at 8:30. When does he eat his lunch? What time? He eats his lunch at 1:30. See, it's 1:30. When does he leave his office? He leaves his office at 4:30. When do you go to bed? Do you? See, you is plural. So here he asks question with him. So when we go to bed, I go to bed at 11 o'clock. See, I go. When they take tea, they take tea at 11:30. When they take tea at 11:30 because we are talking about more than one. Okay. Now move on to exercise on page number 83. Write to today's date and write class work. Okay. Here we have to fill in the blank with when does or when do. Dash, we sleep at night. When do or when does? When do we sleep or when does we sleep? When do we sleep because we is for plural. Dash, she played tennis. She plays tennis in the evening. So when do or when does? When does because she is singular. Okay. Number 3. Dash, they get up. They gets up in the morning. When do or when does? When do because they is plural. Number 4. Dash, he makes coffee. He makes coffee in the afternoon. So when does because he is singular. Dash, when dash, you mend your roof. I mend my roof in the winter. So when do or when were? When do or when does? When do because you is plural. Dash, the leaves fall. The leaves fall in autumn. So when do the leaves fall? Not does. When do the leaves fall? These are the answers of this exercise. Okay. For today till here. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.